Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send email in Apollo.io. If you're doing sales outreach, lead generation, or business development, sending emails manually one by one can quickly become inefficient. That's where sequences in Apollo come in. Sequences allow you to automate outreach emails and follow-ups so you can contact multiple leads in a structured workflow. First, open your browser and sign into your account on Apollo.io. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can manage leads, companies, outreach campaigns, and sequences. Next, go to the Sequences section in the Apollo dashboard. Sequences are automated workflows that allow you to send emails and follow-ups over a set period of time. Click Create Sequence to start building a new outreach campaign. You can choose from either AI-assisted sequences, templates, or you can create it from scratch. Give your sequence a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Clear naming helps you organize multiple campaigns if you run several outreach sequences at once. Select the schedule you want your sequences to run on. You can even create a new one. Then once that's set, click on Create. Now click on Add a Step. From the drop-down, you can select either an automatic or a manual email depending on your preference. For now, we'll choose Automatic Email. Here you can choose and insert an email. This step will allow you to write the message that will be sent to your leads. Inside the email editor, you can enter subject line, email body, personalization fields. Apollo allows you to insert dynamic fields like first name, company name, job title. These variables make the emails feel more personalized even when sending them at scale. Next, write the content of your email. A typical outreach email might include a short introduction, a reason for contacting the lead, a clear value proposition, a simple call to action. Keep emails concise and professional so they're easy for recipients to read. One of the biggest advantages of using sequences in Apollo.io is automated follow-ups. Click Add Step again and choose another email step. You can schedule this email to send automatically a few days after the first message. Once your sequence is ready, you'll need to add contacts. Select the leads you want to contact by checking the boxes next to their names. Then finally, make sure to save your changes and activate the sequence. By creating a sequence, writing personalized email steps, adding leads, and launching the campaign, you can automate your outreach and connect with prospects much more efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.